Hi, my name is Pisha Sabek. I'm Filipina and I live in Ireland. And this is my blog.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is my view for today. Just walking around here in the city, and the sustainable bridge is almost done, and a little bit sunny today, but still cold because it's winter time. And yeah, this is my view. The water is so quiet. The boats, parang katulad kay Willie Rebillame. Ayun, may maganda pa doon pang mayaman na mga yate. Nandun sa likod, nakatago. Yeah, this is the bridge now. That one. And the train station is there. It's almost done as well. Look, and there is mall. Lakad-lakad lang tayo para mag-update, para may vlog for today. Ready na din yung yung winter village, winter ball. Ayun na yung tulay. Ayun yung tulay guys. Wow, the sustainable is ready to rock. Maybe next year or next year. Yeah, punta tayo doon, malapit. Kasi yung puno, wala nang dahon kasi winter na. Okay.